friends. How are you doing today? How are you doing today, my friends? I'm making my screen a little bit bigger. Perfect. How are you doing today? Good, I hope, because guess what? We're learning some new sound combinations today. Some new ones, my friends. Some new ones. I'm very, very excited, my friends. Before we start, what are sound combinations? What are sound combinations? Yep, when two letters come together and make one sound, my friends. So when you see these sound combinations in your words that you're reading or writing, and you need to sound them out and figure out what the word says, remember, when you see these sound combinations together, they make one sound. You don't want to break them apart and sound them out separately, okay? Do not do that. Promise me you're not going to do that. Okay, good. Perfect. Okay, my friends. So we have some new ones. Get ready. Wow, look at this one. Look at this one. Wait a minute. What do you notice about this one? What do you notice about this one, my friends? Yes, that we went over the sound combination EA. Remember in our first video when we said that EA, read E, and that EA can say E, right? But guess what, my friends? EA can make another sound. It can make another sound when you're reading certain words, just like with OW, bow, O, or COW, ow. Even though they're spelled the same, they can have and say and actually say and sound different, my friends. So don't get tricked there. No, when you're sounding out a word and you have these two sound combinations, you have this two sound combinations that are the same, they sometimes can sound different in certain words, okay? So we know EA, read, EA can say read, EA can say E. Let's figure out what EA can say in the word what. What picture do you see what picture do you see on the word sound combination card? Bread, right? Yes, the word is bread to your right. Now, when you're saying the word bread, EA, what do you think it says in the word bread? Bread. Yes, ed. Say it with me. Ed. So EA, bread, EA, bread, very tricky. EA, bread, good. EA, bread, say it, go. Again, go. Good, my friends. We're moving on, my friends. Okay. Wow. Look at this one. What two letters do you see in this one? Yes, an E and a W, my friends. An E and a W. Right? So wait a minute. What do you see the little boy doing? Drawing a picture, right? The picture is all done, so he drew the picture. The word drew is to your right. The word drew is to your right. The word is drew. The word is what? Drew. Good. So what do you think? EW says what? Drew. Yes, it says ooh. Say it, go. Good. EW drew. Ooh. EW drew. Ooh. EW drew. Ooh. Say it, go. Again, go. Perfect. Good. We're moving on. Oh, what two letters do you see on this sound combination card? No, not a J. Yes, a G and an E. Wow, G and an E. What sound do they make together? What do you see? What picture do you see on the sound combination card? What word is to your right? You see a book, yes, but what are in books? What are in books that you can flip? Turn the page. Yes, the word page is on your right, my friends. So wait a minute. What is the sound for G-E? G-E says what? Let's say the word page. 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 G-E says J. J. Say it, go. Again, go. J. J. G-E says J. Page. 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 Good job, my friends. You're doing awesome. We're learning a lot. Always remember that you can rewind if you need to go back and go over these, my friends, because remember, what do you have to do for homework? Figure out different words that have these sound combinations, okay? Okay. Now, okay, I like this one. We see a what? What two letters do we see? A K and an N, right? So let's figure out, wow, this one can be tricky. Yep. Let's figure out the word first. So when we say it, right, you can figure out the sound. Okay. What word do you see to the right? What do you see? Oh my gosh, it looks like she has a boo-boo on her what? She fell and she has a boo-boo on her what? Her knee. Yes, the word is knee to your right, my friends. Knee. Knee. So K-N-E-E spells knee. K-N. Knee. Knee. When you're saying knee, are you going E? We know E says what? E, good, right? No, we do not sound out that K and then the E. K-N together. Remember, together makes the sound what? Knee. Pretty tricky, right? Even though you see that K, it's silent, my friends. It's silent. Wow, we know about the silent E rule, right? But we don't want to get tricked, okay? We don't want to get confused. The K is just silent in this word, and K-N makes it sound again. Say it, go. Good, let's say it together. Full sound combination. K-N, knee. K-N, knee. K-N, knee. Say it, go. Good job, my friends. Sending you some shine. Okay. Wow, look at this one. There's a picture of a what? A boat, right? Okay, so the word on the right is boat, right? But what two letters are we working with? What two letters? Yes, an O and an A, my friends. So if you say the word boat, what? The sound combination says what together? The O and the A. O-A says what? Let's say the word boat, 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 boat. O-A says what? Oh, 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 oh. Say it, go. Oh, 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 good. So O-A says, oh, O-A boat. Oh, O-A boat. Oh, O-A boat. Oh. Say it, go. Say it, go. Good, my friends. O-A boat. Oh, Perfect. Ooh, look at this one. What do you see in the picture? You see a little piggy, right? With some coins. What's this? What is this? Yep. You save your money in a little piggy bank with these gold things. Those are what? Coins. So on your right is the word coin. Coin. Okay. Let's try to figure out what two letters do you see? What's your sound combination here? A what? A O and an I. Good. Some of my friends said it really fast. A O and an I. Okay, my friends. So O-I says what? When you say the word coin, what does it say? O-I says what? Oin. Say go. Oin. O-I coin. O-I coin. O-I coin. O-I coin. Say go. You got it. I want my friends to go over this video about 3 times. These were really, really tricky and you haven't seen these before. So before you do your homework, where you have to come up and write down 3 to 5 words for each sound combination we worked on today, make sure you go over the video a couple of times, my friends. This is very, very tricky. And once you go over it and you master it, you're going to be ready to rock and roll with your teacher when they go over these new sound combinations in class, okay? I'll see you again pretty soon. Have a wonderful day. Later. Hello, friends. How are you doing? How are you doing today? Thumbs up if you're having a good day. Thumbs down, not so good, to the side, so. I hope everyone is having a good day. And if you're not, we're going to jump into some fun. We've been learning about sound combinations. What do we know about sound combinations? What do we know about sound combinations, my friends? That what? Yes, when 2 letters come together, it's when 2 special letters come together, they make one sound. They make how many sounds? One sound, okay? 2 letters coming together, making one sound. Okay, my friends. So we jumped into a lot of new sound combinations. So remember, if you ever need to go back to these videos, you go to the Ivy Hill Prep YouTube channel and go back and practice these sound combinations. And with your teachers, these will pop up for sure. So you'll be ready to rock and roll. So we have some new ones in our video today, and we're gonna jump right into it, okay? Okay, wow. Ooh, who's that? Who is that character? Who is that character? That's Winnie the Pooh, my friends. Winnie the Pooh. Say, hey, Winnie the Pooh. Oh, he's so cute. I used to love him when I was growing up. Okay, friends, so the word on your right is Pooh. Just Pooh. What 2 letters do we see on our sound combination card right now? What 2 letters do we see? 2 what? 2 O's. Yes. And the word is Pooh. Pooh. So 2 O's, they come together and make what sound? Let's say the word Pooh. Go again. Pooh. Go again. Pooh, pooh, pooh. Yes, O's. 2 O's. O says ooh, ooh, ooh. O says ooh, ooh. Say it go. Say it go. Say it go. Good. Ooh, ooh. Perfect, my friends. Now, let's say the sound combination. Letters, word, and sound. Again. O, pooh, ooh. O, pooh, ooh. O, pooh, ooh. You go now. Yes, good job. We're moving on. Okay, now we have a picture of what? What 2 letters do you see on our sound combination card? A what and a what? Yes, a O and a Y. And what do you see a picture of? Is that a girl or a what? A boy. Yes, the word to your right says boy. Everyone say boy, boy, boy. Yes. So what sound does O and Y make together? Boy. Oh, yes. Oi, 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 oi. Say it go. Say it go. Good. Now let's say the sound combination all together. Yep, the sound card. Yep, get ready. O-Y. Boy, oi. O-Y. Boy, oi. O-Y. Boy, oi. Good job, my friends. You guys are doing awesome. Okay. Now, ooh, what two letters are we working with now? I know you see the picture. What do you see a picture of? A what? A phone. Yes, a phone, a phone, a phone. So what? We know that what? What two letters you see? A P and a H. Good. Wait a minute. We see a P and an H, but the word is what? Phone. Whoa, my friends. You're probably wondering why P and H makes the sound f. Well, I'm going to let you know that even though it doesn't look like it makes that sound P and H always makes the sound f. We know that letter sound already. What letter sound is f? Raise a silent hand. Yes, go. F. And F. So we now know something new. Say, ooh, woo, we know something new. Ooh, we know something new. That PH makes the sound, makes the F sound. F makes the F sound. PH makes the F sound. You have to see those two letters together in order to hear that F sound, okay? Let's say the sound combination card together. PH, phone, f. PH, phone, f. PH, phone, f. PH, phone, f. Good job. We're moving on. Okay. What do we have here? We have a couple of letters. We have a couple of letters, my friends. What 4 letters do you see on this sound card, my friends? Ooh, this one may be tricky. What 4 letters? Okay, you see a T, a I, yes, a O, and a N. Good. So, whoa, let's figure out what T-I-O-N, what sound it makes when you see these 4 letters come together. Wow. So usually we've been doing 2 letters that come together, but sometimes when you see more than 2 letters, this sound combination, T-I-O-N, makes 1 sound. These 4 letters make 1 sound. How cool is that, my friends? Now, let's figure out what sound it makes. What do you see a picture of? What do you see a picture of? A bowl with some, okay, not quite. It's a picture of a bowl with some potion in it. Everyone say potion. Potion, secret ingredients. Potion. I know if you're a scientist, my friends, you know what potion is. Potion. So what sound does T-I-O-N make if the word is potion? Potion. What is it? Shun, good. Potion, shun. T-I-O-N says shun. Kind of tricky, right? T-I-O-N says what? Say the word, and then you're going to figure out at the end. T-I-O-N, potion, shun. Sean. Good. Let's say the sound card all together. Get ready. T-I-O-N, potion, Sean. T-I-O-N, potion, son. T-I-O-N, potion, son. Perfect, my friends. Good job, my friends. We're going to go over and we're going to move on to the next one. What two letters you see here, my friends? Yes, a what? No, not an M. It's not an M, my friend. A W-N-A-R. Good. And what do you see in the picture? What is that person doing on that piece of paper? He or she is writing. So the word is right on the side to your right. That word is right. So W-R makes what sound? If we say the word right, what sound does W-R make? Think about it. Right. Yes, it makes it sound Okay, my friends. W-R says right. W-R right. W-R right. W-R right. Say it go. Say it go. Say it go. Good. W-R right. Good job, my friends. Now for homework, my friends, let's go back because for homework, all the ones we went over today, all the sound combinations, you have to think about and write down 3 to 5 words that have these sound combinations in them. First one, oh, poo, oh, good. Oh, I, boy, oh, good. P-H, phone, good job. T-I-O-N, potion, shun. Perfect. Last one, W-R, right. Good, my friends. Remember, for homework, come up and write down 3 to 5 words for each sound combination we worked on today, my friends. I had a really fun time going over these different sound combinations, and I know you're going to be ready to rock and roll when it's your turn to go through these sound combinations with your teacher. Okay, you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you soon.